Hello everyone. What does a scalper truly need to succeed? More signals, bigger rewards, lower risk, or only trading during strong market trends? What we really need is an entry that is strong enough, high quality enough, and backed by enough momentum to create a rapid price expansion shortly after entering the trade. In scalping, time matters. The longer a trade takes to work, the greater the risk becomes and the more the edge begins to fade. And the solution we want to share today is simple: dual momentum strategy. When most traders hear this, they immediately think about finding strong momentum markets to trade. That's true, but it's not enough. What we want is to enter at the moment when buying or selling pressure is truly expanding, giving price the ability to accelerate quickly after entry and immediately create an advantage for our position. And that's exactly where entropy becomes valuable. Entropy is a method used to measure market disorder and uncertainty. In trading, it helps identify moments when the market is preparing for a strong trend expansion. When combined with Renko charts, it allows us to better recognize candles that carry genuine momentum and provide high-quality trading opportunities. So how does it work? Simply put, when the histogram bars appear, they indicate that the market is shifting from a balanced state into a period of chaos or expansion. On the other hand, when entropy histogram bars are absent, the market is typically in a more stable and balanced state. After a period of market chaos, if the histogram bars continue to reappear, it often signals that the market is preparing for another acceleration phase. This is also when the system begins to generate entry signals. This is where Bollinger %B comes in. So how does it work? This is Bollinger %B. It works as an oscillator, helping us determine whether price is showing strength or weakness. When the Bollinger %B plot turns green and slopes downward, it indicates that price is showing strong bearish momentum. At this stage, price tends to hug or repeatedly push below the lower Bollinger Band, reflecting dominant selling pressure. Conversely, when the %B plot turns red and begins sloping upward, it indicates that price is developing strong bullish momentum. At this stage, price often hugs or continues expanding toward the upper Bollinger Band, reflecting increasing buying pressure. To identify when the market is truly trending with strength, we monitor the position of the %B plot. When %B moves into the overbought zone, it signals a strong bullish move with powerful upward momentum. Conversely, when %B moves into the oversold zone, it indicates a strong bearish move, where selling pressure dominates and price is more likely to continue expanding lower. Now, let's review 23 consecutive trades on MNQ and see how the dual momentum strategy performs under real market conditions. As the name suggests, dual momentum doesn't rely on just one momentum signal. The strategy requires two layers of momentum confirmation, helping verify that the market isn't simply starting to move, but that real buying or selling pressure is being sustained in the same direction. The first momentum layer identifies which side is gaining control of the market. The second confirms that the momentum is strong enough to support a trade. Only when both conditions align does the strategy begin looking for an entry. But dual momentum doesn't stop at confirming direction. The trade must also be triggered on a strong momentum candle. This means the strategy doesn't try to predict the move before it begins. Instead, it waits for price to demonstrate clear strength before entering. The entry candle acts as the final layer of confirmation. Using entropy, the strategy looks for candles that are transitioning from a stable condition into a potential expansion phase. Whether it's a buy or sell signal, the objective is to identify a candle that is preparing to break out with strength in the direction already confirmed by both momentum layers. This is an important difference with dual momentum. The strategy isn't trying to buy at the absolute bottom or sell at the exact top. Instead, it accepts an entry that may be a few ticks later in exchange for clearer confirmation. You may give up the beginning of the move, but you enter only after the market has shown which side is truly in control. Across these 23 trades, you'll see exactly what we mean. When a signal appears, price often reacts quickly, moves with conviction, and continues for a meaningful distance. This is what creates greater reward potential on each trade. It also gives traders more flexibility when setting up their ATM strategy. If you want to capture more of the larger move, you can use a wider target and take advantage of the remaining momentum. If you prefer faster trades and more completed positions, you can still use a smaller target. For this demonstration, we're not using a very large ATM target. Our goal is to complete as many trades as possible, allowing you to observe more signals across a wider range of market situations. However, pay close attention to how far price continues moving after the target has already been reached. That remaining movement reveals the true potential of dual momentum when paired with a larger ATM structure. In other words, the advantage of dual momentum is not only its ability to identify the correct direction. Its greater value comes from entering after momentum has been confirmed, as an expansion candle begins to form and the market still has enough strength to continue moving. That makes the strategy suitable for both traders who prefer quick scalping trades and those who want to pursue a larger reward from each signal. Now, let's go through all 23 trades and see how dual momentum responds when real buying or selling momentum enters the market.
Join the ninZaFamily forum to stay connected, ask questions, and explore ideas with our team and other traders. There's a lot more waiting for you inside. Links in the description. Thanks for watching until the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss our latest content.